In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Gmail app is not working on your Android smartphone and you're having a problem with it, whether it's on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to select the apps tile. And then select where it says see all apps. And then go down and locate the Gmail app on this list and select that. Select where it says storage and cache. You want to select the clear cache button and then attempt to relaunch the app. If you're still having a problem, you can select clear storage instead. So if you want to come back in here, delete all app data. This includes files and settings, which will be permanently deleted from this device. You would select delete, relaunch the app, sign back in, and that would pretty much be it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.